Welcome back to Financial Politics Roundup, where politics meets money, markets, and power. Today, we are diving into one of the biggest economic and political questions shaping America right now: tariffs. Are tariffs protecting American jobs, or quietly making life more expensive for businesses and consumers? And perhaps the bigger question: who actually wins? Who loses? And how do these policies reshape business, politics, and financial power in the United States? Let's break it down. First, let's simplify what is actually happening. A tariff is essentially a tax placed on imported goods. When companies import products, electronics, steel, machinery, industrial components, they often face higher costs. And those costs rarely disappear. Businesses must make a decision. Do they absorb the loss, raise prices, move manufacturing elsewhere, or bring production back to America? This is where politics becomes economics. Let's start with manufacturing. For American factories, tariffs can create opportunity. If imported steel becomes more expensive, domestic producers suddenly become more competitive. That can mean higher demand, stronger profit margins, more hiring, and greater political influence in industrial states. But there is another side to the story. Farmers often sit at the center of trade disputes. When America raises tariffs, other countries frequently respond, and that response can hurt exports. For agricultural states, that can mean lower demand, reduced sales, and political frustration. But negotiations can also reopen markets, making agriculture a long-term political gamble. Now, what about ordinary Americans? If retailers pay more to import goods, someone usually absorbs the cost. Sometimes it is the company, but often it becomes higher prices at checkout. Electronics, household goods, machinery, consumer products can all become more expensive. In simple terms, tariffs may function like an invisible cost increase. Now here is the political side of the equation. Tariffs do not just affect business, they affect political incentives. Leaders from manufacturing regions may benefit politically if jobs increase. Leaders from agricultural states may face pressure if exports decline. And business-focused politicians often face a difficult question: should America prioritize cheaper goods or stronger domestic industry? This debate is ultimately about competing visions of economic power. So, are tariffs protecting America or quietly making life more expensive? The answer depends on where you stand. Factories may win, retailers may struggle, consumers may pay more, and politicians gain or lose support based on who benefits. One thing is certain: trade policy is financial politics in action. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to Financial Politics Roundup, and I will see you in the next analysis.